Hey guys, me and my girl, we're about to go pick up something that I need for carpet repairs for a really good price. I'll show y'all right now. And we're gonna return her shoes that she didn't like. Alright, had to come get some cash. Now let's go get this. Well guys, we are here. Didn't show you guys yesterday, but this is the bad boy that I got. A Cool Glide. To do better repairs and stuff like that. I'm gonna go inside right now and get some of that tape, some of that good stuff. I'll be right back. Look, they got everything right here. They even got the knife. Guys, I got the Cool Glide now. Now I can start doing repairs like a pro. Anywhere online, eBay, Amazon, all those places, they have these for 40 plus. Some places even selling them for 50. I seen this guy having 8 of them for 300. I was like, what the heck? I mean, it's a good deal, but still. Over here, I get them for $23 each. This is my first one because I'm going to test it out. I'm going to try it out. I'm going to see how it works. But there you guys have it. The Cool Glide and the glue. Now, I am on my way to pick up the van. And my little brother, we're going to go do this unit. It's an apartment complex. So hopefully the carpet is clean. If not, we're going to have to put a little bit of elbow grease on it to get it clean. But usually those carpets are all right. You know, rental properties are always messed up just because tenants don't care. But that's what we're here for. All right. Have picked up my little brother. Now we're on their way to go to these little carpets. All right, we just looked at the unit. It's pretty easy, pretty clean. We're gonna have to move to that side of the building. Pretty easy. see the difference? There you go. This is just a regular steam cleaning. Didn't really need much, just pre-spray and a nice steam clean. And look at it, looking brand new. Now we start taking all these out. Oh, that's hot. Go. We're all done with this clean. Let's go. We're gonna go ahead and go buy another space heater. It's gonna be really, really cold these few days. It's gonna be really, really cold. It's gonna be in the negatives. And you know, I don't want my van to freeze, so we're gonna definitely have to start getting some more heaters, or we're gonna probably have to winterize the van, which that would include doing the antifreeze inside the system. But we'll see. Check this out. Man, you guys don't know how cold it is. It's freezing. We're emptying out all the water to the last drop, so that there won't be any water in there and break our pumps or something if it freezes, you know. All right, guys, finally all done. Gonna head to Home Depot now. All right, we just got done with that. It's freezing. It's almost 2 in the afternoon and it's 36 degrees outside. Are you cold? Yeah. Yeah, see, he's cold. Can't even talk. Alright. Let me see. Gotta insulate this van. We're gonna go meet up with a buddy of ours right now. He's gonna teach us how to winterize it. Alright. Came to get... So then, Pablo, to put in the van. We're gonna go meet up with our new homie. All right, now we gotta go with this guy that I just met. He's gonna help me winterize the van because it's gonna be in the negatives. We are about 30 minutes away from him. So we are in Thornton at the moment. We gotta drive all the way to Aurora, kind of by Hampton and Yale. Stick with this. The Diablo twins. Oh. It's pretty empty, huh?
Yeah, it looks like it.
We're cycling it. It's going all the way around. There's two Diablos. About 40 grand right here. Winterize the machine, now it's all ready to go. Hopefully it doesn't freeze because it's gonna be negative. We just left, we're driving back now. We're about 50 minutes away from my mom's. So we gotta drive all the way to my mom's now, drop off the van, pick up my truck. We did look at the weather. The weather is gonna be negative 8 degrees. Negative 8 degrees. It's gonna be bad, it's gonna be cold. Pipes are gonna bust, everybody's gonna bust, it's gonna be bad. Not like that. But we got some insulation that we're gonna put on the ceiling because we winterized it with what was it, Pablo? What did we put in there?
What?
Antifreeze. We put Gatorade.
Huh?
Did you say Gatorade?
No, I said heater.
Oh, we just winterized it with antifreeze that's negative 100 degrees. So that should be good. I think it should be good. I've never done this. This is my first time trying it in my whole career of doing carpets. So let's see how that turns out. But I'm still gonna put the heater on, and I'm getting that thing on top of the ceiling so that any of the heat could just deflect back down, you know, because hot air rises. Stay in school, kids.